Okay, so last video we dug a little bit of this area out here. So if you okay, so if you watched the last video, then you probably know what we're gonna do next. But if you didn't, you know, that's fine, but
go watch it.
Okay, so we're just gonna dig out the rest. I started earlier this time, so hopefully we can get a bit more done before it gets dark. But it hasn't rained today like it has the past every single day. So the ground's probably still gonna be a bit soft, but it's gonna be harder than yesterday. So I'll start the time lapse and I'll get digging. Okay, well I might have to end the video there, but we've finished this bed. So there's bricks right along there. So I think all I'm gonna do is tidy it up, make it look a bit better, dig all the loose dirt out, and then we'll be on to the next project. That's another video. So I guess see you in the next one. But I'm gonna do some work offline, so yeah, we'll see. We might not do that one because I might finish it offline, but it's not really late, it's only 4:58, so I have nothing else to do, so I'm just gonna do some other stuff. Maybe that'll be there, but I'm gonna do that now, so don't get your hopes up. Well, you know, I could do this one. I don't know, you just have to see what happens next video. Peace.